Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this apartment series, I have with me Vishesh, and
Hello.
he'll be showing you his 4 BHK apartment that is in Paris. So let's see what we have in this apartment. Let's go.
I'm going to show you the overview of my apartment where I've been living since 1.5 years, since the beginning of my journey in France. And of course, over here we have the garbage space where all the residents drop on their garbage, followed up by the cycle space, of course, where you can drop off your cycles and other light vehicles. And if you come over here, you're gonna have like a very good view of the garden over here where you can stroll, you can walk, and you can even spend some time together over here, offering you a very good space. And of course, over here you have multiple complex apartments, and yes, followed by some usual utilities. Over there you have a good boulangerie, which you can of course like try out for good French cuisines. And also here is our main entrance. From here you can have the main entrance. So come back in, followed up by the mailboxes which we have for each and every resident, and followed up by very highly guarded and security doors which we have for the two sides in our apartment, and the lift which takes us across to our apartment. Let's hop in. And supported by a high maintained lift with a good pace and with all the emergency exits over here as well. And we have like a very good amount of features in regards to security, of course. And I live in the first floor. After coming out of the lift, we have this whole carpeted apartment because it was like built just 2 years ago. So it's a very modern, luxurious new apartment, followed up by a very good lobby. And alongside, here is my apartment.
And now let's go inside.
Hello.
Let's
Welcome
go in.
All right, so welcome to my apartment. Over here on the very first, we have one bathroom, followed up by the shoe space over where you can keep your footwears. And the moment you come inside, on your left, you can see living space along with the shared kitchen, followed up. It's like a very modern and very spectacular things used to make this kitchen in a very modularized way. Oven, you have the dishwasher itself, you have the microwave, you have a very good refrigerator running all 24/7. Followed up by a very nice window for cross ventilation itself, as you can see in the living area itself.
Now this is the living space.
Yeah, this is like the shared living space. It has like a very good capacity of space over here, where we even have our dining set, and also followed up by the stands where we dry our clothes, along with a TV unit over here. And still, after having like each and everything in this area, you still have like a lot of space to go in and go out of the balcony, which we have a very big and very luxurious L-shaped balcony.
Let's go to the balcony. But this is one of the biggest apartments I have ever been till now in France. And let me show you what's the view outside.
So now coming to one of the most interesting parts of my apartment is this L-shaped big balcony, wherein we have our own little set of barbecue over here. And of course there are some other things which are a bit broken because of the wind. And keeping like apart that from mind, we have this very huge space where you can sit, you can relax, you can have a very good view of the society itself. And yes, over there, if you're shifting with your family in future, you have the school over there, you have a good utility of markets in the nearby, and of course having like a very good overview of this locality.
So now let's go to your room.
Of course, why not? Please. It's my pleasure. So as I mentioned earlier, the moment we enter the apartment, we have one bathroom, and over here we have another bathroom plus washroom where we have the bathtub over here, followed up by the washing machine. And of course, just like in every French house, we have the area where you can heat your clothes, which you watched like recently. And followed up by the first room, which we have over here, which is right now empty. My roommate used to live earlier. And again, we have another shower bathroom over here. And just behind you, we got another sets of 3 rooms. All right, so welcome to my little paradise over here. As you can see, I have like a very good space of study table over here, keeping all of my belongings, followed up by some space where I can keep my fragrances, also my worship area, and by being supported with a very good huge window over here, offering a very good ventilation again with the main door itself. And of course, following up with some wardrobes over here, which I keep another stuff of mine. just to fill in up the space. And of course, over here I have a very big wardrobe with a mirror attached, and up above, as you know, just a typical student's life, keeping all the belongings over here. Followed up with my little bed, not so little, but yeah, I mean good enough to occupy a person like me in this spacious 15 meter squares of room, followed up by a whole 90 meter squares of apartment. And supporting a good lights as well. I have a lamp over here along with the side table itself, and also a very good LED lights, which is like very luminous and also not that much strain for our eyes. So all in all, this is my room.
So that was an amazing house tour. Now let's move to some important question. How much rent do you pay for this huge apartment?
Well, to be honest, it's been like 1.5 years, and provided all the facilities, all the bills and all the amenities included, I pay 575 euros per month for this apartment.
Guys, that's an amazing rent for such huge apartment, you know, because I personally live in a 19 meter square studio and that's also expensive. And I suppose you also get some CAF for this. How much can a CAF amount could be, maybe if you want to share exactly or a range?
For sure. So the CAF which I get is right now 135 euros. So all in all, I get this whole apartment for just 445 euros, including CAF. So I believe it's like a very, very fair deal with this amount, providing all the facilities itself.
Guys, unfortunately the CAF would be closed from 1st July. But let's talk about, like, you know, students who are in India right now. How can they look for an accommodation like this? What websites did you use for it?
Well, to be honest, this apartment I found through the application Le Bon Coin.
Okay.
And I am pretty sure that half of the students who are new here or must be living here or even planning to come here must be knowing about this platform, where you can connect to the person who uploads the apartment over the media on the application itself. And half of the time is the real estate agencies involved over here in France, which is like a very good thing to do, because they will cover from A to Z the whole process within a week and within like a specific amount of time, where you can move into your new apartment. So Le Bon Coin was the application for me, which helped me a lot, and I didn't even paid any platform fees on that.
Okay, and do you have some other websites in mind, or maybe would you and can you tell us like some tips which students should keep in mind too, maybe because there are a lot of scams happening for accommodation in Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. So what do you have in mind to share with them?
Indeed. So it's like, you know, when you trust social media platforms over having your accommodation or something like that, I would suggest never go on that, because individual people who individually upload these real estate deals, half of the time they will ask you for charges to pay a visit before even seeing or meeting that person, right? So they're gonna scam you with some little amount of 20-25 euros, and that will make a very huge amount if they do it to like 100 people, right? And to be honest, other platforms which you can consider is housinganywhere.com. You can consult Stud Apart as well. Like if you want to definitely save platform fees, then I would recommend you Le Bon Coin itself, or even real estate agencies. You can consult agencies directly. It would be very safe, very secure and very quick.
Yes, so the number one tip, never pay before even visiting. Never ever. It's a scam.
Yeah, definitely. It's definitely going to be a scam. And you know, it's like when you have real estate agency in charge over your apartment, so they handle your security, they handle your maintenance, they handle your all the costs, and it's like total transparency over the two parties.
Thank you so much for taking out your time and showing us this amazing apartment. And guys, if you have any question related to the apartment, you can comment it below, and I will also share, you know, the social media handles of Vishesh, and you can connect with him personally if you have any questions. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.
Well, thank you so much, and I would definitely be connected over Instagram itself, and you can DM me or mail me for whatever queries you have.
I'll put the link all of them in the description. Check it out. Bye.
And do follow Ritesh in Paris.